I'm Carolyn Downing, I'm the sound designer on Beautiful Burnout. When I first started working on this show, Stephen, Scott and I started talking about the sound worlds that we wanted to create.
Let's see that again. Boxing aficionado.
Welcome to the glamour of boxing.
There's lots of sound and aural connotations related to boxing. You've also got, when you go back to looking at the actual fight, when the boxer, in the boxer's head, how do they feel? What are the sounds that they hear? And how does that feel from that? And how can I use that within the piece to create that emotional journey for them? The main challenge that I knew from the outset, from going into rehearsals, is how to use the music of Underworld, how to make that sound embedded in the soundscape, in our world, and how so it didn't sound like a jukebox of music or an iPod playlist, you know. So it absolutely kind of sits very naturally within our world. I kind of wanted to bridge the gap between the sound world of the boxing environments and the underworld music by making musical or rhythmical tracks that could underscore some of the scenes that had boxing sounds. So that it bridges that gap, and that was my main challenge and my main aim for the sound design.